guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Adrian, and before we start this video, if you like this video, please click like and subscribe down below. So today we're going to talk about 10 things not to say to a Jamaican, okay? And number one is, how you so frownsy? How you so frownsy mean you're smelling bad or something like that. And I mean, obviously you can't say that to anyone around the world because that's very disrespectful, but especially a Jamaican, never say that. Number two, oh you're so greedy. I mean, how you're so greedy is a very harsh thing to say to someone, obviously, right? And you say, oh you're so greedy, being how you eat so much. Why are you so greedy? Money greed, could be food, it could be whatever. Oh you're so greedy. I mean, that's very horrible to say to anyone. Number three, oh you're ugly so. That's a funny one because I mean, beauty is in the eye of the beholder, right? And people say, oh you're so ugly, meaning how are you so ugly, you know? And that's very harsh to say to anyone. I mean, everyone is beautiful in their own rights and God created us all equally, right? I mean, some of us are better looking than some, but I mean, obviously none of us are short of beauty, or you know what I'm saying. Number four, oh you're going like gal so. I mean, that's the worst thing you can say to any Jamaican kid, boy growing up. That's pretty much, you're asking them why are they acting like a girl. And I mean, obviously you're not trying to discriminate against anyone, so that's something that you should never say. Your mouth stink. That means your mouth smells really bad. I mean, it's like your mouth is so kicking, you know? Who tells someone their mouth is stink? I mean, obviously, if you have a friend, you would say, oh, your mouth is stink or your mouth smell bad, but you do that in a public place, right? Not in a public place, but a private place. And you're green. Your green mean body odor, like your arms smell really bad. I mean green. So that's the term they use in Jamaica. Or you're green so, meaning how your arms smell bad, you know, body odor. Your fear of a monkey. I mean, a lot of people probably heard that before. Your fear of a monkey. You can see how unattractive a monkey is, and when someone relates to you, say you favor a monkey, I mean that's very disrespectful. But especially a Jamaican, never say that to them because it will turn into violence. I mean, I don't uphold with violence, but I'm just trying to get you safe and ready, you know. And go suck your mother. I mean, that's something that you would never to say to anyone, but especially in Jamaica, go suck your mother mean that you must go and, you know, eat on your mom's private part, which that's a no-no. I mean, obviously, right? But in Jamaica, they say that a lot of times when they want to get somebody very riled up, you know. And number 9, me I go thump you in your mouth. I mean, or thump you in your face, or thump you somewhere, meaning that they're gonna slap you, you know. And that's something that once you say that to a Jamaican, they're the first one who's gonna put on the first blow. Because obviously you never say that to anyone. You never promise anyone something that you probably cannot, you know, relate to, you know, understand? So you never want to promise someone they're gonna thump them in their mouth when you know that you're not ready for that, you know? Like in America they say you don't want no smoke, you know? Or something like, or sauce or whatever. But in Jamaica they say them gonna thump you in your mouth. And number 10, never step on someone's shoes. Whether it's a mistake, yes or no, make sure that you stay far from someone, especially someone wearing a suede Clarks. That's very popular in schools in Jamaica. Whenever someone wears their suede Clarks, they bring their toothbrush, and they're always brushing it. So once you step on their toes, it's a problem. And I'm telling you guys, thank you so much for watching. Those are 10 things that you never say to a Jamaican or do. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe and comment below, share with your friends, and I'll see you all next time. You can check my Instagram down in the box below at adrizzy_lifestyle. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time.